Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to talk about ways to care for your significant other. When you have been with your significant other for a long time, it is so easy to get swept up into life and to forget to do special things for your special someone. Today I am going to break us of that habit and bring romance back. I have come up with 7 easy ways to show your significant other that you care. Number 1, make them dinner. It is so true that a way to a person's heart is through food. It can be as elaborate or as easy as you want it to be. For instance, the first thing I made my boyfriend was a grilled cheese sandwich. It was a super simple meal, but it still pulled at his heartstrings. Number 2, do an activity that your significant other enjoys. Again, this can be something very easy as watching their favorite show or playing a sport with them that they love. Chances are, though, you will enjoy yourself too, since you will like experiencing how happy it makes your significant other. Number 3, do something nice for your significant other just because. I don't need to wait for Valentine's Day, their birthday, or our next anniversary to do something nice for my boyfriend. I don't need a special occasion or a reason. Plain and simple, I can just choose to do something nice today. Easy examples of this are sending a cute text, sending them a card in the mail, or bringing coffee for them the next time you see them. I do have to warn you though, this might bring a smile to their face. Number 4, okay, this one is easy, but probably the one that is most forgotten. Asking your significant other how their day was. When you have been with your significant other for a while, it is so easy to go on autopilot and forget to ask the simple question. Or, since you feel like you know your significant other so well, you might assume you already know how their day went. However, asking the simple question shows that I am curious and care about their daily life. No matter how long we are with our significant other, we will always learn new things about them. The only thing we can continue to learn about them, though, is by simply asking. Number 5, help your significant other with their errands or chores. We all have a laundry list of things we need to get done. It is so nice when your significant other helps you out. This can be running to the grocery store, doing laundry, or just simply vacuuming your house. You can also make it fun if you decide to do it together. Number 6, give your significant other a kind word. There is so much truth in the saying, we are our own worst critics. We are so hard on ourselves. It is really nice when your significant other comes along and reminds you of who you are, how smart you are, your beauty inside and out, or how you're thoughtful. A word of affirmation goes a long way. Number 7, pray for your partner. Life is so hard. We go through trials, ups and downs. Life is just so tough to navigate. There is something so special of someone praying over you. It definitely brings connection and reminds us that we can't control our problems. Also, have you ever noticed that no one ever denies a prayer? Chances are your partner won't say no if you ask to pray for them. The power of prayer is a real thing. This brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips useful and helpful, but hopefully they've also inspired you to go the extra mile for your partner. It definitely will only help point your relationship in the right direction. I wish you love, happiness, and most importantly, a very happy day. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you in our next video.